Today's video is washing the motorcycle using S100 Total Cycle Cleaner. Whether or not it shows up, the bike was in storage for the winter, very dusty, dirty. A lot of bugs stuck to the windshield and the fairing. The S100 really won't clean those, but we're going to put a wet towel on it for 15 minutes or so. But if you've never used this S100, it does a nice job. You have to spray it on, rinse it off thoroughly, and then dry it quickly. Otherwise, it's all spotty. So I'm going to take the seat off for the cleaning, because when I charged the battery, it was filthy. So I'm going to soak the windshield first, and we'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, so here we are 20 minutes later. And take those towels off. Hopefully it softened all the bugs. Take your S100. They have a couple different kinds. This is a aerosol, and just spray the bike down. And if you've never seen it applied, it goes on like that, and it starts to drip. And that's when you know the bike's getting debugged and degreased. So I'm going to hose the whole thing down. I'm going to rub those bugs a little bit. Just taking one of these detail towels and get them bugs off the bike. Soaking it in the water does quite a bit for it. But it's ready to hose off. Leave that towel right there. And now you just get the hose. Using full pressure, just hose the bike down. So far we got about a minute into spraying the S100 on the bike. And we got about 3 minutes of rinsing it thoroughly with the garden hose. And I know what you're gonna say. The exhaust on these 2-strokes comes out the front, and it's gonna squirt oil all over the bike, but it doesn't. Gonna fire up the leaf blower and dry the bike. So we got about 3 or 4 minutes into blow drying it. And you can see it's pretty clean. I mean, for you people out there who like to spend all day washing your bike, go right ahead. If you're looking to clean your bike in under 10 minutes, this is the whole thing. Easily within 10 minutes. So this S100 cost, I think, $12 from the Harley dealer. I'm sure you can get it other places. This one can, 21 ounce. You wash that bike probably 3 or 4 times. If you want to go a little further with it, I'm going to hit some Harley spray on a cloth and just wipe it down real quick. Get rid of the rest of the little water spots and put a little shine on it. But if you're just looking for a quick clean, S100 is the way to go. Now, we're not a paid sponsor of S100, just reviewing it. But for the 1,000,001 subscriber, we will give you the remaining contents of the can. So make sure to like and subscribe for your chance to win the remainder of the S100 can. It's got enough for about a half a bike wash.